Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make hot chocolate from chocolate bar, updated. Melt the chocolate slowly in a double boiler and whisk into warm milk until silky smooth. Start by chopping the chocolate into small pieces so it melts evenly, then heat milk to just below simmering for best texture. Add sugar and a pinch of salt to taste, whisk until glossy, and serve immediately with a garnish. Begin by finely chopping chocolate to ensure quick, even melting and a smooth finish. Heat milk gently, stopping just before it boils, to preserve sweetness and avoid separation. Whisk the melted chocolate into a small amount of milk first to create a loose paste, then slowly whisk in the remaining milk until fully combined. Finish with a tiny pinch of salt and any flavorings before serving warm with favorite toppings. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and hit like. It really helps the channel grow. Quick recommendation: consider the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum if you want more time for cozy drinks. It cleans with voice control and smart mapping, so you can melt chocolate without babysitting crumbs. It's a tiny life upgrade that pairs well with kitchen time. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. To customize your hot chocolate, experiment with small additions that boost depth and balance. A pinch of salt accentuates chocolate notes, while vanilla, orange zest, or a cinnamon stick brings aromatic complexity. For a luxuriously thick cup, substitute part of the milk with cream or half and half, and whisk thoroughly for a silky mouthfeel. Taste as you go and adjust sweetness or spice to match your preference before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.